Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the OPPO Find X8. Alright, so let's begin. First, we need to open up our WhatsApp. I just installed it to show you the whole process, and you need to have that menu, just like me. So now in here, simply select your language. Click on agree and continue. Now click on allow to send the notifications, and now in this bar we need to type the phone number of ours, so that's what I'm going to do now. You can always click on right in here to check what's my number. I'm also going to do it. Okay, then click on next once you have typed your phone number. Okay, and here you will have to verify using, for example, the missed call, but you can also select the other method. And also I will tell you that if you want to restore your backup of your WhatsApp, you need to remember that right now, before you even start, you need to be logged into your same Google account on which you made the backup earlier. It is crucial, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. So you need to go to the settings into your Google account and make sure that you are logged into the account on which you made the backup earlier. Alright, so now I need to verify. Simply click on continue. Alright, and once you have verified your phone number, you will have something like that. Contacts and media. In here click on continue. In here click on allow, allow and allow. And now, as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. So the last backup was made the 16th of May. Next to it we have also the hour, below the size and the account on which we made that backup, just to show you that I need to be logged into the same Google account, which is right in here. I will show you that currently in the settings I'm also logged into that account. So click on simply on Google, and as you can see, it's the same mail, and you need to do the same. Alright, and now all we need to do is to tap on this green button, restore, and remember that if you don't do it now, there's a chance that you won't be able to do it later. So now simply click on restore. Now the process will start. In my case, it's not gonna take long because I don't have that many messages. Alright, 20 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Now we can click on next. In here, in the profile info, simply type your name, and if you click on that green plus button, you will have a possibility to add the profile photo. Then click on next. In here you don't need to create any passkeys, it's completely up to you. In my case, I'm gonna simply skip it. And now you can see that all of the messages, including the photos and the videos, has been successfully restored and transferred into our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.